Well, you've done it, my friend. You have completed the first Django section in this course. Now, I know there was the Python refresher, but this was actual Django that you learned here. And I hope building this password generator, you have a much better grasp on what's going on here. How, when someone types something into the URL box and hits enter on their browser, how that comes into our project and we say, okay, put it here, bring back this view, which pulls up this template, maybe, create this random password. This is just the beginning. We're just going to make things more and more advanced from here, but hopefully this is a nice, solid, fundamental section for you. So after this lecture, I have a link to the source code for this project. So if you ever need to look at that again with like the Bootstrap, if versions change, you can always go get the exact code that I have. I'm going to provide these at the end of each section. And you'll notice the link to this is in GitHub, where I'm hosting the code. And you might be wondering, well, what's GitHub? Maybe I've heard of it, but I don't know exactly how to work with it. In the next section, it's all about how to use Git in GitHub. So you're going to get a great lesson on that. So anyways, go check out the source code if you'd like it. And then when you're ready, move on to the next section and let's learn about Git.